and her siblings. Let us welcome
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul.
kapatid lang. You are the
To see I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. But now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see.
whom she truly loves. Ayan. Palakpakan natin ang family ni Lydia.
Your amor is like the sun that lights up my
Will be the most
whole
wonderful
world.
night
I feel
in her
the
18 years of
inside.
existence.
Your
Important
amor
blue,
is like the
Kaya
river
wala kasing
that
nuggets.
flows
Ayan.
down
Ano
through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Question. What is her full name?
Andrea Shady Alunia.
Ano yung name?
Ano yung team?
Sai. Ayan. Yun na namin ang interview.
Every time I hear our music play,
Kaya na pipick up classroom.
Ano?
things that we've been
Our
through.
next question.
Oh,
Kaalagaan din.
Ito ba yan?
Oo, parang biham natin siya eh. Natikman ko na nga kanina. Ayan, ang mga ako. O, sino? One. Going.
'cause I am
Five,
all
four,
without you.
3.
Days are dark without a glimpse of you. But now that you came into my life, I feel complete. Flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Oh, amor is like the lights of my world.
Iyak siya. Gusto niya rin magdebulang.
Flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Message. What's your message para kay Shane?
Message ko, huwag naman kasalang susunod Mga ano pa, mga 10 years, pwede na yun. Send Gcash.
You are gold.
That flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Sure po kung anong tinatamasa mo ngayon dahil as a tita, kita ko yung mga sacrifices mo bilang estudyante, bilang anak.
Lagi lang baga uuwi sa bahay pagkain dito. Yun lang.
Time.
Sana matupad yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Gusto mo, siyempre, sa lahat kailangan healthy. Magkaroon ka ng pamilya matatag, walang araw at ibigay mo yung mga pangangailangan ng pamilya mo mga ganun. Magiging mo ng magandang buhay, magiging yan.
Wishing there
uwi ka ng tamang oras. Inuulit sila sa inong nakita na
It's telling me it might be you all of my life.
Walang doon din. Yung mga, alam ko, kung negativity yung surrounding sa minsan. Minsan
And what makes it last?
Alam ko na sabihin, magayak ako. God bless you more. Tsaka, be a good girl. Continue serving God, not turning back. Be a woman. Tama sa oras, tama na. And be a loving daughter.
Wish ko sana matutok mo yung mga pangarap. Yun lang, matibay mo.
Happy birthday, Shane! More birthday to come.
It's love to me. I think we're gonna need some time.
Stay beautiful inside and out and wish ko lang pero mukhang meron ka na ng lahat.
It's telling me it might be you all of my life.
Birthday, and more than the monetary, I want to say that your life has been purposeful sa mata ng Panginoon. Kaya sa harap ng family and friends, and of course churchmates,
In Shane's life, her motivator, supporter, armor, and treasure. With him, she knows that she will be safe. She will be happy. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a round of applause to the father of the debutant, Mr. Gerardo Manila.
Someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you all of my life. Looking back as lovers still walking past.
Yun lang, nakita ko ngayong gabi, nakita ko rin yung kung gaano nyo kamahal si Shane sa mga sinasabi niyo sa kanya kanina. Nakikinig ako kanina lahat ng mga magagandang sinasabi niyo sa anak ko. Parang nag-i-mix emotion tuloy ako sa kung tama nga bang pinapagalitan mo siya. Bilang isang kakahit na lang yung nararamdaman ko. Bilang isang kakahit na lang yung nararamdaman ko. Bilang isang kakahit na lang yung nararamdaman ko. Kaya ako gagalit sa kanya. Tapos, sa dami ng activities niya sa araw-araw, baka isa sa mga naiisip ko sa kanya, yung kalusugan niya. Bagay na niya. Maghintay ka lang. Darating din sa iyo yung magkapatid. Napaka-bless nyo. Kasi, totoo, hindi tayo pinababayaan ng Panginoon eh. Yung, ano niya, yung gusto niya. Kasi nga,